In 2010, someone bought pizza with 10,000 bitcoins. Today, that pizza is worth over $300 million. Crazy, right? But here's the truth. Most people don't lose money in Bitcoin because Bitcoin is bad. They lose money because they break the rules. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 Bitcoin rules every smart investor follows. If you care about your future, don't skip this video. Rule number 1. Never invest in something you don't understand. Too many people buy Bitcoin because a friend said so, because TikTok said so, because Twitter hyped it. That's gambling, not investing. Smart investors ask, how does Bitcoin work? Why is it limited? What is blockchain? Knowledge is your shield. Before you invest money, invest time. Rule number 2. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. No rent money, no credit card money, no emergency savings. Why? Because Bitcoin is volatile. It goes up fast, and it falls faster. If you invest scared money, you'll panic. You'll sell at the worst time. Smart investors stay calm because their life doesn't depend on one trade. Rule number 3. Patience is more powerful than intelligence. Let me be honest, most Bitcoin millionaires were not geniuses. They were patient. They bought. They held. They ignored noise. While others were panicking, they were waiting. While others were quitting, they were believing. We live in a world of instant results, but wealth is built slowly. Rule number 4. Protect your Bitcoin like your life depends on it, because sometimes it does. Hackers don't sleep. Scammers don't rest. If you lose your keys, your money is gone forever. No customer service, no refund. Use strong passwords. Use two-factor authentication. Use cold wallets if possible. Your security is your responsibility. Rule number 5. Never follow the crowd. When everyone is screaming, "Buy!" that's usually danger. When everyone is screaming, "Sell!" that's usually opportunity. The crowd buys at the top. The crowd sells at the bottom. Smart investors think independently. They research. They analyze. They decide. Remember, if you follow the masses, you'll get average results. If you think differently, you can live differently. Let me tell you the truth. Bitcoin is not magic. It won't make you rich overnight, but with discipline, with patience, with education, it can change your life. Not tomorrow, not next month, but one day. Your future self is watching you right now, watching what you learn, watching what you risk, watching what you build. Will you thank yourself later or regret today? That choice is yours. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment. I'm building my future. I'll see you in the next one. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. If you found value in this story, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more true market stories.